Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Monday, so again, welcome to our e-learning classes. This is my third video on Ishwaran, the storyteller. And previous two videos, I have told you about Ishwaran, about Mahendra. And second video, I have told you that storytelling capability of Ishwaran basing on a tusker, on an huge wild animal, the elephant, who was got mad. So that Ishwaran was that replacement of TV to Mahendra. So there was not a single day which day was just left without that story told by Ishwaran. And Mahendra used to listen the stories because the stories were very much interesting. So one day like that, when in the morning Mahendra, he had to go outside to his office, and Ishwaran was over there, and he asked Mahendra that day it was especially an auspicious day, means a very special day, that he seek permission. He wanted permission from Mahendra that whether he could cook, he could make delicious dishes to offer to the dead ancestors, to the dead persons. We also have such tradition, na? That is our tradition. And naturally Mahendra gave permission, and on that day Ishwaran made so many dishes which were very delicious dishes, and those dishes were offered to the dead persons, dead ancestors. And at night when that Mahendra was just relishing that enjoying the taste of the good dishes, then Ishwaran started his storytelling. And in the very beginning he started that so that the place which now we are staying, this is a place of that this was once a graveyard. It was a place of burial. You know that graveyard burial means that dead bodies used to kept under the soil. And he has seen that skeletons and skulls and that bones of dead bodies. And naturally that during eating or this sort of discussions, this type of stories are not enjoyable. So Mahendra was though he was enjoying the dishes, but he could not enjoy the story told by Ishwaran this type. And Ishwaran, not only here Ishwaran stopped, Ishwaran further advanced by telling that often he had seen a woman, dead woman, who was that whose hair were matted, and she was carrying in her arms that unborn baby, fetus, that is unborn baby. And that sight was and Ishwaran, he was a very courageous person, so that's why he was not even scared of that. And and when he told that he has seen a lady at night, and that very often that he used to see that lady, and he was almost like a skeleton, and that his head was hair was matted, and his face was like skull, means ghost, lady ghost. And she was holding her unborn baby, not born baby, fetus, that is means the baby which was not born, and she was carrying that baby in her arm. And very often Ishwaran has had seen that woman. and that Mahendra was feeling very uncomfortable, and he was very much angry, and he made Ishwaran stopped by telling, just stop this nonsense. These are that everybody knows that there are no such existence of ghosts or spirits, and that what Ishwaran has seen, that is nothing but the result of his indigestive system, because that persons that everybody knows that that when at night digestive system is not clear, then that anybody cannot sleep properly, cannot have silent sleep, sound sleep, and due to that reason they may see nightmares. And due to that reason, maybe that Ishwaran had seen some nightmares, and those were originally those are not possible, and that then he left the place and he went to sleep with hesitation, and he was thinking that Ishwaran will be that Salki means that Mahendra scolded Ishwaran to speak like that, so that's why that Mahendra thought that Ishwaran would be sulky, means he would stop talking, he would be silent. But as usual, next day Ishwaran was happy, and Ishwaran was as usual talkative, and Ishwaran was in his original mode, and so Mahendra was also happy, and he went to his workplace. This is my third video, and tomorrow I will send you the fourth video and the end of that explanation of the means that the final explanation of this chapter, that is page 17. So all of you just listen this video. And one more thing, that children, that I can understand that online classes are going on, and you sometimes maybe you are not getting interest, but there is no other option. You can play outside home, you can mix with your friends. So there is only one option. You should study properly, that to watch the videos and try to understand and listen and just learn, and tell us the teachers as well as me wherever you are facing problem. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Stay safe.